Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a very easy and delicious sweet potato halwa recipe. It is made with dry fruits, sugar and cardamom powder and taste amazing. This halwa is perfect for winters, festivals and fasting days. Let's get started. For this recipe we need boiled and mashed sweet potato, ghee, sugar, cardamom powder and mixed dry fruit like cashew, almond and raisin. Milk is optional if you want a richer taste. First, boil the sweet potato and peel them and mash them well. Now heat ghee in a pan. Add chopped cashew, almond, raisin and fry until golden. Take them out and keep aside. In the same pan, add the mashed sweet potato. Cook it on medium flame while stirring consistently. Now add milk if you using and mix well. Next add sugar and stir. The mixture will become loose, but don't worry. Keep cooking and stirring until it thickness again. Now add cardamom powder and the fried dry fruits. Mix everything nicely and cook till the halwa leaves the sides. So guys, our sweet potato halwa is ready. It looks glossy and smelling amazing. Serve it hot and enjoy this healthy and tasty dessert. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye. Take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.